Hi guys, welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. We decided to call it that, the Kindred Kitchen.
Yeah.
Isn't that a great
Yeah.
name? I'm Pam and V is behind the camera.
Hey guys.
We cook up great vegan, oil-free foods every day. And so we're here to share those with you. 25 days of Christmas, so there's one uploaded every day. Today, I am going to make a cashew sauce, which is great. Very versatile. I will often make a larger batch of this, like double the batch, and put it on pasta with some broccoli or cauliflower and onion, carrot, and throw that all together with a good cashew sauce, and my kids love it. But you could also use it as a topping for whatever you're making, a stir fry or anything. Sometimes I will add this to a lasagna, make it a little bit thicker, a little bit more cashews, and use that instead of a cheese because it's just got such great flavor. So let's get right into the recipe. I have a half a cup of soaked cashews here, and because I was short on time, like I've told you before, I microwave these. So I put a half a cup of cashews in, topped it off with water, and I put it in the microwave for a minute. You can probably see that it's steaming a little bit here, so it is still nice and warm. But that's what I did because I was running out of time. So I'm going to add that to my blender. Let me grab a little tiny spatula. And we'll get them all in there. Okay, so what else do I have here? I have 2 tablespoons of Tamari sauce I'm going to add. And I have 1 tablespoon of vinegar. That's in here.
Now, could you use any vinegar or
You can.
any as in red wine or distilled white or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a white vinegar, but a lot of times I will use just a nice organic apple cider vinegar. That has a really good flavor. I mean, I think they all work well. You just it just changes the flavor just a slight bit. This is a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to add that in. And I have a tablespoon of garlic powder because garlic is always good. So healthy for you too. It'll help keep away flus and colds and stuff like that. So help keep your immune system boosted. And I have a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast just to give it that nutty, almost like a cheesy flavor. I think some people say it tastes like cheese. I don't think it tastes like cheese. I think it's kind of got a flavor of its own when you make a cashew sauce, but it's a delicious flavor. And then I have just some chickpea miso right here. It's a white miso. You could use any miso. I use this just because I didn't want to change the color a whole lot. But I use about a tablespoon just to give it a little added flavor. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some pepper and some salt. So I'm going to add like a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and then I am going to add probably a heaping half a teaspoon. This is a half teaspoon measure, so it's a heaping half a teaspoon of salt. That's what I'm going to add to it. And then the magic happens in the blender.
Yep.
So we are going to blend this up real quick. I'm going to give it a quick check and see what the consistency. So we are going to open it and see what the consistency is. And see, this will make a great sauce. For pasta. Look at the. I love it.
It smells good.
It smells delicious. And I think this is great. I think I'm going to put this in my refrigerator as is. You can kind of see. Can you see the consistency there? It's a little bit thicker, but it's. I don't want it too thin because if you're going to use this on pasta, you want it to stick to the pasta. So you don't want it really thin. Right. And I like it just the way that looks great to me. I may actually blend it up just a little bit more because I'm seeing a couple of chunks of cashew in there. So, but you don't need to watch me do that. I'm just going to blend it up for a few more seconds here. But this is amazing as a topping. My kids love it. It's a great family-friendly meal. And this is also something that's great for meal prep. If you can do this on a Sunday night or something, if you work during the week, then you always have it there so that you have a quick dinner when you get home from work. Make sure to check us out on Facebook, guys. We are Kindred Vegans on Facebook, and we talk about articles and things like that on our Facebook page. We do our Friday check-ins, so you know what's going on every Friday with us. Make sure to check us out on Instagram. You can see the pictures of what we eat on a daily basis. You can see pictures of us in the making. We do some behind-the-scenes kind of photos, so you can see what we're making. And I hope you enjoy this, and let us know how you made it. Leave us a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and we will catch you around again tomorrow for another 25 Days of Christmas video. Bye, guys.
Bye.